Hello everyone and welcome back to Shib Kai. Tonight, the price of Shiba Inus will double, which is amazing news. With the introduction of Shiba, an upcoming Layer 2 or L2 blockchain network built on Ethereum for Shiba Inu, which will turn the meme coin into a full ecosystem, cryptocurrencies are growing in acceptance and popularity. In this video, we'll talk about how the price of Shiba is expected to double this evening due to significant Shib news. Remember to give it a huge thumbs up. Without further ado, let's get started with the video. Share and subscribe to the channel to view our most recent content on expert analysis and Shiba Inu price forecasts. Shiba Inu has grown to be a prominent meme coin and is now ranked among the top 20 cryptocurrencies in terms of market valuation. The Shib team has continued to work on a number of projects at a consistent pace of development. The Shib environment is well known for setting noteworthy standards and achieving milestones in a recent milestone. The largest cryptocurrency exchange, Binance, announced its decision to remove Shiba Inu and other tokens, such as the Share Trust Wallet token and One, from the innovation zone on April 18. The announcement stated that the purpose of the innovation zone was to provide Binance users with a secure environment in which to trade new and innovative projects. Over time, some of these projects may have demonstrated their value and met the high standards that Binance expects. Binance said that the exchange has chosen to remove Shib and these other tokens from the innovation zone following thorough evaluation. After Binance performed reviews based on a number of criteria, Shib reached this milestone. Consequently, someone wrote a script to create millions of wallets in an effort to stress test the network and launch the beta version of Shiba. The number of hosted wallets on the network is still rising, raising questions about the fundamental reason for this abrupt increase. A team member behind shibaswap, a Shiba Inu-based NFT project, revealed in a recent tweet that they authored a script that generated over 9.5 million wallets on PuppyNet and carried out over 3 million transactions on the beta network. The team member also revealed that they were responsible for developing approximately 1,620 tokens on the test network. These recent disclosures indicate that a script was developed to generate millions of wallets to stress test the network. Among these tokens are the network shibaswap DAO SP DAO and the shibaswap token SPX. Information from a Puppy scan recall that the number of wallets recently increased by 86% within 2 days, surpassing 5 million. The network presently boasts an astonishing 13.3 million wallet addresses with a transaction total of over 3.47 million, according to the designated block explorer for PuppyNet. This astonishing outcome was sparked by this script. As emphasized time and time again by Shoshiro Kusama, the Shiba Inu lead, the goal of the test network is to give interested parties the chance to conduct various tests on the network to confirm its effectiveness and dependability before it is launched on the main net. Developing a script to generate millions of wallets on the test network is a commendable effort, as it can aid in evaluating the scalability and efficiency of the blockchain as well as help in detecting any potential bugs or glitches that may occur during the process. Stress testing the network is essential for evaluating its dependability. In addition to mentioning executing an airdrop script and other tests to evaluate the network's transaction time resilience and other capabilities, the script developers indicated that they intended to evaluate the network's capacity to manage high traffic conditions like games and airdrops. As of right now, no bugs have been reported for the month of March. The Shib burns have been quite impressive, with 6.78 billion Shib tokens burned in 540 transactions. This represents a significant increase over the previous month's total number of Shibs destroyed and transactions. The highest burn since October 2022, when 9.05 billion Shib were burned in 2,433 transactions, occurred in March. Over 34.92 million Shiba Inu were burned in 3 transactions yesterday, according to the Shib burn tracker. Of those transactions, 2,531 million came from a single wallet. The largest transaction originated from the wallet associated with Coinbase 10, which transferred a staggering 25,3397 Shib to the burn address in a single transaction. This transaction caused the total burn rate to increase by 1.8% in comparison to the 2.93 million Shib burn rate from the day before. An indication of the rising the futures market has also seen a trend since the beginning of March. According to CoinGlass data, the number of open futures has exceeded $2.48 trillion, or roughly $26.78 million, just 1 month ago. Open interest, OI, is a metric that measures the number of active positions investors have taken in contracts. When the Shib price reached its yearly high of 0.159 in early February, the growth in open interest shows that traders' interest in the Shib is expanding. At the time of publication, the OI was $47.3 million. As reported on Newsbk, the Shiba Inu price was at $0.0000001083. The Shib price is presently trading in an ascending triangle, a continuation pattern, and with today's dip to $0.164, the Shib has set a new higher low, maintaining the uptrend. A definitive determination of the bulls or bears by the end of April, dominance may arrive. Recently, Shiba Inu has started to draw the interest of investors. Its futures open interest jumped to 2.4 trillion tokens, or $2,751 million, following a slow increase that began a month ago. A rising pattern indicates a resurgence of interest, raising expectations of a price increase. When an asset's open interest rises, the total number of outstanding futures contracts that have not been settled or closed out by an offsetting deal is referred to as futures open interest. In essence, it indicates the number of contracts that are still active and held by market participants. P increasing exponentially typically indicates that traders are taking positions and anticipating price moves based on data from CoinGlass, an intelligence tool for futures trading, and that a sizable volume of fresh money is flowing into the market. Shiba Inu's open interest has risen by more than 52% from the March 13 low of $18.05 million to the present level of 2,751 million Shib tokens valued at 2.4 trillion. The open interest chart shows that there is a relationship between the price action of the asset and its OI, with the asset price often showing an uptrend when the OI increases. On February 5, for example, OI increased to 3.2 trillion tokens, or $47.3 million, and this was accompanied by a surge in the price of the Shib to 0.1527, the asset's highest value this year. However, after February 5, it began to decline, and the asset price also started to register dips after a decline to the low on March 13. The open interest is once again witnessing a surge in value, and investors are anticipating the asset price to follow suit. Trade volume on Binance has also shown signs of renewed interest for Shib since it fell to 1.58 trillion Shib on April 8. Even though Shib is currently underperforming, its volume on Binance has increased steadily over the last 4 days to reach 2.4 trillion tokens. The asset is currently trading for 0.0011, down 0.97% over the last day but up 0.8% over the last hour. A breakup of the triangle could see Shib rise above the ascending triangle it is currently stuck in. Aim for the February highs of 0.0015. Recent trends indicate that market participants now like the asset, and more demand may help it achieve its objectives. According to MarketCap's Q1 2023 report, Shib was one of the top 3 assets examined globally. The Shiba that concludes today. Don't forget to give the thumbs up, share, and subscribe to the channel to view our most recent content. Inu community also recently hinted at an iconic partnership with legendary musician Scott Pagee, as well as a NFT collaboration with top American celebrity sculptor Jack Storms, which would see Storms accept Shib on his official store.